Welcome, my name is Bastian Brox and I'm responsible at EMIS Electrics for all service actions. With this little video series, we would like to give you additional support on how to restart a ride after a long standstill. In an earlier video, we talked about isolation measurement on the motors of your ride. Before you send your first vehicle to the track, there's another mandatory check which should be performed. The ride is already powered up. Therefore, you should work with care and have another member of your team with you, as it's now time to start up the motors. One of you have to take measurements in the cabinet room. The other one has to operate the ride in manual or maintenance mode. Make sure to stay in communication with each other, either by phone or by radio. In the cabinet room, you should have the checklist available on which you already made the isolation measurement. Set the ride to manual or maintenance mode, following the procedures explained in your ride manual. Set your clamp meter to amps and place it on the output cable of your first motor. Give the signal to start the motor manual to your colleague. Let the motor run for a short while and observe the values on your clamp meter. Note them on your checklist or in your maintenance application and compare them to the values of the motor plate and motor breaker. Give the signal to stop the motor to your colleague. If all values are within range, you have completed all necessary checks on this motor. Some motors, especially on lifts or belts, require an additional measurement with load. Take some time during the first run with vehicles to measure all of them again. Thank you for your attention and we wish you all the best for your restarting actions. If any questions arise or the operator's manual leave anything open, don't hesitate to contact us. Contact us on the listed email addresses or telephone numbers. We hope you enjoyed the video and it has helped you in your actions.